Alright, so in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to perform a chipped shot in FC24. Now, what you need to do is simply press your shot button plus L1 together and release. Okay, so my shot button is O in the default configuration, and then you want to press L1, and this is the default configuration I'm using here. So let's try here. L1 plus shot, and that attempts a chipped shot, as you can see. Okay, so let's try another one here. Shot. When you're ready to shoot, just press shot plus L1, and that's going to always attempt to chip the ball over the goalkeeper. This is good for especially during a counter attack. When you're one-on-one with the goalkeeper, you can just lift the ball and over the goalkeeper and just make your game look so good. Let's try one last one. There you go with Nketiah. There you go. It's a nice chip, but that was saved. Let's try again. Sometimes it goes over the bar as well, so you want to time it properly, and also also measure how much input you put into the shot button. All right, there you go. That's a very good chip shot. So it's your shot button plus L1 by default. Okay, so if you want, you can change that button to something else. So if you go to your controller settings, you can see L1 has been set to player run / modifier. So if for some reason you don't like L1 as your chip shot button and you want to change it to something else, you can put it as L2 if you want to. You can even switch with R1, and you can place the chip shot button or the player run / modifier button to something else. You can change that, but for the default, that's why it is. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.